Welcome back, guys. This is Byron from WP Phoenix. Well, this is just a little, let's say, update into my LMS system, which is Tutor LMS. I do have a full video tutorial that I'm going to be leaving in the description, that if you guys want to watch it and implement it, go ahead. You're more than welcome to it. So, like I said at the beginning, Tutor LMS just created a version 2.0. All right, they just came out yesterday with it. They were in the beta mode, like I say, like it's testing mode, stage mode, however you want to call it. So this is how my dashboard was looking in. Okay, this is how it looks now, because I haven't done the update yet. This is how my course page will look like. Okay, I will suggest you to deactivate if you have any gotcha plugin, unless you want to be clearing in here. All right, just make sure that you clear. Otherwise, the changes wouldn't be reflected in some of them, not all the plugins, the gotcha plugins. All right, so first of all, let's go back and let's update it. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard, and in here there are 4 updates that I have into my account. All right, and another thing that I have noticed, it's that when you update, there's some let's say some options that they do get changed when you make this update. Most of them are not reflected into the plugin, but it's reflected into the theme that you're using it. Okay, so let's go back, and we have the new version. So let's clear it out. Okay, and that's how simple it will be to have the new version in your site. Let's refresh this one. Just remember how it looked like, especially the filter section. Okay, and here we go. This is the new option. It's more like a boxes. Okay, but as you can see, I'm missing a few items in here. For example, the text. I'm not seeing any type of text right here. This is because my team took over those sections, so I have to make that adjustment in the back end of my team. All right, so let's go over here. Let's get into the customizer. All right, customize. Let's open it up in a new link, and in here I'm gonna be making those updates. Okay, like I said, double check with your team before you call support or try to reach out support. You can do it. I mean, I'm not judging you or anything, but it will be easier if you just find out the answer by yourself. So in here, in this case, I have it under buttons. Okay, here are the option, the primary buttons. In here, background, text color. There you go. You see right here. So what I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be using the text color that I do have it into my website. Let's put it right here. Okay, oopsie, it didn't take it because this extra. There you go. Let's publish, and this is it. When it says effect hover, see, it's right here. You can change it to the same color, or you can put another one. So for now, let's change it to the same one, and if I see that there is any other issue being reflected, I can just replace it because I know where it is now. Okay, so we got it. Beautiful. This page, it's ready to go. Let's refresh this one, make sure that it's being reflected, because it was reflected the back end. There you go, it's ready. Okay, I do have some CSS that I had added into it. I'm not gonna touch them for now, but if you have a CSS added to your account, make sure that you check them too, because with the new update, you probably won't need that many. I do have a CSS for the header, and I do have a CSS because the course was not being reflected into the mobile. It was not reflecting the price. Okay, so in here, this is the dashboard. So let's refresh the dashboard. Oh, you know what? Let's duplicate, because I don't want to refresh. Okay, so here's the old dashboard. Let's clear it out. Okay, to see if there's any updates. Okay, remember, this is the old one. Not bad, but they did make a huge implementation in the into the UI section. UX too, but I'm not a big fan of the implementations that they make into the UX, just in the UI. Here you go. So here are the options. Look at it. It looks way better. All right. This is one of the most wanted, let's say, updates that we were actually asking for, and it's been done by Tutor LMS. Okay. If you want to get into more details with this team, all you have to do is go back to the dashboard, go into settings, and you can start customizing from here. Right. Dashboard. You have, for example, if you want to sell multiple courses like a marketplace, you can enable right here. Okay, just enable and publish. If you want, you can save changes now or later. Okay, if you want to become an instructor button, you can actually enable this one too into the dashboard of the students, so they can request it from there to become an instructor, unless they want them to go to a certain page. But it will be easier if they just have the option to it, because you actually have to approve that. It's not that they have requested they will become an instructor without you approving. Now, in here, I'm not going to make any changes. All right. Lessons, I'm going to keep it like that. I'm not, like I said, it's up to you if you guys want to make some updates, but to me, so far, it's good. In here, embed. I usually use my videos as embed. I never upload files into the server. The reason why is I try to minimize the storage into the server and into the hosting. Okay, monetize. Here you go. I'm using paid membership pro. If you want people to enable as a guest, go ahead. This is the sharing percentage that the instructor take and the admins. 20% is good, but if you want to go down, it's up to you if you're charging. Like I said, you don't have to do it, but it's up to you. Okay, in here, the fees, if you want to add extra fees too, the withdraw options that they have it, so when they are ready to withdraw, they can do it in here. Okay, the design, if you want to make some changes into the design system, you can do it in here. Okay, so let's go back into the course page. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, I'm not gonna change anything here because it looks good. Let's double check. Let's clear it out of the cache like I told you guys. It's a little annoying, but you know, you're not doing this 24/7, but you have to do it while you're doing the courses. Okay, here, that's what I was talking about. What had happened was some of the changes that you made it before, they got deactivated. For example, the course filters. I want to put the price, difficult, category, and keyword search. I don't want to put the tags. Okay, into the instructor list layout, you can leave as a cover. Into the instructor public layout, I'm going to put the modern. Same thing in here, student public layout. Okay, and in here, these are the options that you can do for the course details. You can put the author if you want to, save changes. Okay, let's first of all let's double check that this one add the filters on the side. Okay, there you go, filters are ready on the side. Okay, now let's take a look to this course. Into this course, there are the prices right here. I like the display. It looks way better than what it was before. So don't get me wrong, it wasn't bad, but now it looks better and needed. All right, let's go back to courses. Let's see if it changes right here. These options, where are they? Okay, instructor info, QA info. Let's take a look. And this one. Some people don't like to display any of it. Okay, there you go. Let's see if it's in here, or if it's, let me double read it what it says here, course details. So let's see when it says course details, if it's in the front of the course or if it's actually in the course section. It should be in the course section then. Let's go over here into the course section. There you go. Oopsie, there is no details into this one. Okay, you know what? Let's go back to one that I have the details into it to see how it's being reflected. I think this one I have some info in it. Okay, curriculum course. Let me see, it's not displaying anything. That's kind of weird, right? Let's take a look to another one. Like I said, I'm testing too, the same one as you guys are doing it. So there you go. So this one has info. Show more, show less, categories LMS, wish list, share. Okay, I don't like this. This is something that I think that most of the let's say the course platforms, they shouldn't display the lessons. All that they should display, they should display the lessons, but they shouldn't display the details on the lessons. Why? Because you don't really want to let the student know what they're going to be doing. I think it's my personal opinion, to be honest with you, but I don't like the fact that they can see what I'm going to be teaching in here. Okay, like I said, everything that I'm doing, it's my personal opinion, so don't take me wrong. Okay, but it's my decision, I think. Okay, so let's activate all of them. You know what? There you go. Toggle to show instructor info. Author. It says enable to remove course out of name. Enable to a QA section. Okay. Let's go over here. Let's refresh this one. But I got a little confused when it says enable to remove. Okay, about instructor. See, this section just came on, but there you go. Okay, so this says, hold up, because I thought toggle to remove levels. Okay, so some of them is to remove, some of them are to add. Hold up, I thought that most of them were before to add. Let's remove all of them. All right, except for this ones that it doesn't say to show. Toggle to show. Okay, this is ones to show, this is to add, enable to remove. Okay, so enable to remove course name. Okay, so now let's save changes. Right now let's clear it out, because to be honest with you, I thought it was to remove, not to, I mean to add, not to remove. Okay, I don't really see the. Let's go into the course section to see if anything is being changed there. For some of them it says enable to remove. Looks the same as in here. Curriculum, course info, certificate right here, the wish, the share one. Okay, so let's see, let's read it one at a time. So this one is enable to remove course order name, no. Enable toggle to remove course level, no. Toggle to enable. Okay, this one social share, I want to enable. Enable to show. Okay, I want to show. Enable to show to. Okay, I want to do this. Everything that is going, this says show, I'm gonna do it. Enable to show course progress. Okay, enable to show course materials. Okay, enable to show, and enable to show course description. So let's see if the course description is not being displayed. Where is it? Right here. Nope, no course description has been displayed. Okay, benefits, enable to show the benefits, enable to show the course requirements, show. Okay, it says show, enable show. Okay, enable to show. Okay, there you go. So there are the changes. I'm gonna do this and let's clear cache just to double check that it went away. Okay, here's the share, came back, stars are right there, reviews are right here, curriculum, course info, it's right here now, it's showing it, course instructors on the bottom, about instructor. Okay, let's go back, and in here, if you want to customize the colors of the page, you can do it. This is pretty much being reflected into the dashboard. So if you want to customize any of these colors, you can just customize it, and then it will pop it up at front end. All right, I'm not gonna do it because the way that it looks, it's fine. So advanced Gutenberg. So it's up to you, it's optional. A lot of people like to use Gutenberg now, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, profile completion, I don't really understand what's the point of having this one here, because if you go, let me show you right here, it's already been displayed right here, complete your profile. So let's see what enable this feature to show the feature bar to student. All right, so let's enable that one. So let's take a look. There's no notifications, just in case that is gonna notify me about the completion, but so far it says complete your profile. It's already in it. So I don't see why it wasn't enabled back there. It might be because of the update that it's still having some bugs, I'm assuming. But now, here you go. As soon as I click, this is what something that I don't agree with them. As soon as I click on the back of it, okay, so as soon as I click into design, as soon as I click here, I didn't make any changes. Let me put it customize. All right, so let's put it customize, and that's something that they should take care of it, because not everyone wants to be doing this. Not everyone wants to be adding the colors again and again. So here's blue, but I had to do a customize. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be selecting the color that I want. First of all, you know what, let's double check that it's a color that I want. 1 second. There you go. This is something that I don't like. The changes should be saved. They shouldn't be forcing the people to do the changes again. And I think, let's see, let's go back. Let's take a look to this one. Let's copy and paste. Okay, here we go. I don't know why it's not letting me paste. So let's try another way. Let's see if that's no, there you go. So it's not letting me paste the color. So what I'm gonna do, let's go into notes. Amazon key, no, I'm gonna need that. You know what, I'm just gonna be adding to the top bar, whatever, the code, and then I'm gonna be copying the code over here for DD. Oopsie, if it lets me. Let's see. Okay, there you go. For DD 0B3. Was it a 0? Okay, let's see. There you go. And I don't like the fact that I have to be doing this. You know, it's kind of annoying. Okay, the background, that's all right. I'm not gonna change anything. This one, I like the color that I had it before, which was the same color as the primary color. So it will be 4DD0B3. Okay, the borders, if you want to change them, it's up to you. Okay, so let's assume that I'm done here. A little disappointed with this thing, to be honest with you. Dangerous message. Okay, Okay, so change been done. Let's go back into the dashboard. Let's refresh the dashboard, but before that, let's clear out the cache. Let's refresh it, and let's see if it makes the adjustments. Okay, it's loading and loading. There you go. Fake the hover. Okay, this effect, it's coming from the team, so I'm not gonna blame Tutor LMS because it's coming from the team. All right, so there you go. Okay, it should be they should keep the one that I had before. That's what I'm kind of pissed, because they shouldn't have changed anything without our approval. Okay, so now in advance, we already took a look to that one. The grade book, if you want to use points instead of grades, you can just activate right here. Pay membership pro, I already have it. It's already activated. The mail, if you wanna make some adjustments, you can do it in here. Notifications, I will activate all of them. Okay, notifications is really good to notify the students about new sections, about new lessons, about quiz. And in here you can just literally notify whoever you want it and however you want it. Certificate, and here I'm not gonna update or upload any, but if you have one, you're obviously gonna need to have the certificate builder, and then just add it into the section. So let's save changes. Okay, so let's take a look to this one. Let's clear it out and let's check the notifications, because I did find another bug right here, which support was already notified because I was checking into my other website. But let's see how it comes on. Okay, no notifications yet. There you go. Okay, perfect. I'm not gonna do any. Okay, let's go back. Okay, here you go. Now that we think that we're done with it, let's double check, make sure that the add-ons are active. Here you go. Everything that I have selected before is good. And let me show you a little bug that you might be having issues to, which are announcements. Okay, so let's see. Testing. Let's see if my account is subscribed to any course. Okay, because it usually happens to the account that I subscribe to courses. Let's see if it's subscribing to any courses. No. Well, let me see if it pops it up right here, just in case. And if it doesn't, I'll let you know, and I will tell you what's the issue that I'm having with the notifications. Okay, so let's refresh. It might be popping up right here because I'm the admin. Who knows? Let's clear it out again. Yeah, I'm still mad at the fact that they changed my dashboard colors. Sorry. No, it didn't pop it up. So what's the issue that they're having? It's like when there's someone who is subscribed to a course, what happens? It's like, you know what? Let's see if I can add a membership to my account. Okay, where is it? Members. You know what? It's not right here. I think it's under users. Let's go into users. Okay, and then I'm gonna select my user. I'm gonna edit. And memberships. There you go. Lifetime. Expires none. Not really. Okay. So let's update my profile. Let's go back to the dashboard. And in the dashboard, I'm gonna go into courses. And into courses, what I'm gonna be doing is that I'm gonna be enrolling this course. Is this the one? I don't think that it has anything in it, but just for testing purpose. Enroll course. Okay, so I'm being enrolled in that course. So, and this is Tutor LMS. Okay, so let's go back into this section, Tutor LMS, announcements. Let's edit. Okay, let's publish. Let's see if it goes through or if I have to create a new one. So let's create a cache. Let's check over here that I'm already also enrolling to courses, doing two things at once. So let's see if it pops it up. All right, here we go. I'm enrolling to this course according to the system. Two notifications, the enrollment and the announcement. 4 hours ago, I just literally did it like a few seconds ago. So here's the error that I'm having with it. Like I said, it was already reported, but here is it. When I click on it, it's good, but I think that they're fixing it, because back on time when I was clicking on it, it was taking me to an error 404. But it's still the time they have to fix it. I don't know where they've been based, but it says 4 hours. All right, so it was like literally 2 seconds ago. So here we go, new announcement right here. Okay, so but time, it's money. Hopefully they fix it. Okay, so this is pretty much the little, let's say, update that I have for you guys about Tutor LMS and about the version 2.0. If you want to test, if you want to take a look into it, go ahead. Okay, so this is an error that I have it because I changed the colors of the buttons. So this is nothing that has nothing to do with Tutor LMS. Okay, it's more like my course builder. But I'm still pissed at the fact that they made me delete my that they deleted, no, they make me, they deleted my the dashboard adjustments that I had. I don't like that. I just don't like that. Simple as that. You know what, let's leave it like this. Okay, let's update it. Beautiful. Let's go down here too. I'm pretty sure this is right here, right? If you guys have any issues like this, please take a look to it, or you can just bother Tutor LMS. I'm pissed now with them, so go ahead, bother them too. Okay, and there you go. So this is it. Let me double check, and then there you go. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna have to make some adjustments here, but like I said, it's more like adjustments in my end.